Guys, I wanted to show you two different mascaras that I really like, both the Ilia and the Well People. This brand isn't as well known, but I love this brand. I use this for many different things. Like I don't know, I use almost all their products. So both of these products are good for sensitive skin and eyes. I do have very sensitive eyes. They can get red very easily. So this is okay. I cannot use just any type of eye makeup anymore. So they're both dermatologist tested and have clean ingredients, which you could definitely go on and look. I find that the Ilia one is really easy to take off with soap and water, and they both are pretty good about smudging. So I just figured I'd show you what they look like on. So if you're trying to decide for a new mascara or something that, is a cleaner product, this is the Ilia one. So you can really see how nice this goes on. And I mean, I feel like I have to wear mascara. I think it makes just such a difference for me. So I'll just quickly show you it goes on really easy. It definitely lengthens and gives a lot of definition to my eyelashes. This is, what color is this one? After Midnight. They do come in different shades. I usually just go for a black. This one is just black. And this is the Well People. Again, this is a really nice brand. If you don't know this brand, I would check this out. I wanted to show you what the one looks like. I'm not sure if I like one over the other, to be honest. I've never done them side by side. These are the brands that I feel comfortable giving my kid. She's starting to really get into makeup, and sometimes she does want to wear mascara. I don't want to give her anything to wear. So this is definitely both of these brands. So I'm not sure. Maybe the Ilia is a little lengthening. I feel like that one makes my eyelashes longer, but I really do like the way that this is separating them. So I guess it just depends on the look that you're going for.